How are you, my friends? This is another question of the Algebra Challenging Questions, where we have a quadratic in form question. We need to solve this equation, find all the solutions. Just have a look at the question and see what can we do. It's not a good idea here to expand all this squared and make it a big equation. Now we see this bracket is the same. So nice idea, directly we can start after rearranging the equation, bringing 30 on the other side. We call this equation quadratic in form. So the form is quadratic. Let n is equal x squared plus x. See, this is power 1 and this is power 2. If you have any power here, half of the big power, you can use this idea, we call it quadratic in form. So if this is n here, see n minus 29n, if you square both sides here, you get n squared. See, now this is so easy to do. That's quadratic. So you can factor it, you can use quadratic formula, you can use any method you like. So now factor it, n minus 30 here, n plus 1. If you multiply, you get this one here. The sum is minus 29, the product is minus 30. So n will be minus 1 or n will be 30. Now remember, we need x, not n. So we say back to x. Continue the next slide. So n will be minus 1 or n will be 30. So if n is minus 1, I put back n here. N is x squared plus x. Again, we have small quadratic here, x squared plus x plus 1. We cannot factor, so we can use quadratic formula. I think you remember it. X equals minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Remember, in this simple equation, a1, b1, c1. And we have square root of minus 3 in complex numbers. This is square root of 3i. Now the second one, if n is 30, put 30 here, so x squared plus x minus 30 is equal to 0. We can factor, that's easy question, x minus 5x plus 6. So x will be 5 or x will be minus 6. Now we need all the solutions, write down all the solutions. 2 complex, minus 1 plus square root of 3i, or you can write I before or after, it's the same, 5 and minus 6. Now, if you want to see more quadratic in form equations, please, you can visit the playlists, 2 of them, old exams questions, other types of equations, or algebra course lecture 24. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.